Hello everyone, welcome back. Anti-gravity versus Kiro. These are two AI tools developers use to get work done faster while coding. In this video, I'll explain what each one is good at and help you decide which one makes more sense for you. Anti-gravity is all about speed. It's built for people who want to move fast and automate as much as possible. You give it a task and it tries to handle most of the heavy work for you. If you don't like dealing with details and just want quick results, anti-gravity feels great to use. It's especially useful for repetitive tasks or when you're trying to push things forward quickly. Now, let's talk about Kiro. Kiro feels more calm and more controlled. It's made for developers who like to understand what's going on while they work. Instead of doing everything automatically, Kiro helps you step by step and keep things simple. Kiro is nice if you care about clarity and want to stay in control of your code. It doesn't rush you, and it's easier to follow if you prefer a slower, more thoughtful workflow. If you want speed and automation, use anti-gravity. If you want clarity and a more hands-on experience, use Kiro.